What to do if your Android device won't download or install apps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So our Android phone just don't feel complete without third-party apps. But if you are suddenly unable to download or install application on your device even though you have enough storage space, don't worry. Here are some steps you can take to fix it. So without further ado, let's get started with that. So one of the simplest solution is to clearing the cache of both Google Play Store and Google services. This often resolves the problem. To do that, simply open the settings and from there you can simply scroll down and tap on apps. And from there you can simply tap on manage apps. Now tap on the search bar and simply search for Google Play Store and simply tap on that. And once you are in the Google Play Store settings, you can see the option clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply tap on that and from the pop-up menu simply tap on clear cache and confirm action by tapping on OK. Now next, go back to the app list again and from there simply find Google Play Services. You can simply search for that and open it, and once you are inside its settings you can simply clear its cache as well. In most of the cases, they should allow you to download and install apps again after trying this. But if the problem persists, you can try adjusting the Google Play Store permission as a last resort. And to do this, simply head to the settings and from there you can simply again scroll down and tap on apps. And after that you can simply tap on manage apps. Now tap on the search bar and simply search for the Google Play Store. And once you have searched that, simply tap on it. And here you can see the option labeled app permissions. So simply tap on that. And here you can ensure that call logs and contacts permissions are allowed. You can also check that the other necessary permissions are enabled. Though the location access is optional, but after making these changes, your Google Play Store should work normally again, allowing you to download and install apps without any issues. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.